How to get the Cash App card under 18-14 accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can get the Cash App card for under 18 and 14 accounts, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to get the Cash App card if you're under 18, all you have to do is just open up Cash App. Then once you open Cash App, just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, scroll down, and then you'll find the option called Family Accounts. Just tap on it, and then here you'll find the option called I'm 18, so just tap on I'm 18 option, and then just go ahead and then verify your identity using your legal documents. Now after you've done that, all you have to do is you can just come to your cash card icon from here. Once you tap on cash card, it'll ask you, as you can see, get free cash card basically, so just tap on the get free cash card button. Select a style that you like, so whether you want a metal or whether you want a classic one, depending upon whatever type of cash card you want. Then you can just tap on the order card button over here. Once you tap on order card, after personalizing it, you'll be able to successfully enter your billing addresses and then order that specific cash card. That is it for this video on how you can actually get the Cash App card even if you're under 18. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.